Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to take a screenshot on a Chromebook in ChromeOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To screenshot on your Chromebook, you need to use a keyboard shortcut if your keyboard doesn't have a screenshot key. If it does, you can just press that and then move on to the next step. If not, use the keyboard shortcut of the Shift key, the Control key and the Show Windows key. This is the key that has a rectangle with two lines to the right of it. It should be the key that is fifth after and excluding the Escape key. Think of it as an F5 key. Use these three keys and the screenshot options should appear at the bottom. First, select the camera or screenshot icon on the left. Now choose if you want to capture the full screen, a selected area, or a window. These are the three icons at the bottom. We'll choose the middle option, which is a selected area. Now click on the cog icon to customize any settings. For example, you can check or choose the folder that the screenshot will be saved to. To now take a screenshot, either click on the screen or drag to select an area of the screen and then reshape this, or just click on capture. After clicking on capture, the screenshot will save to the folder shown earlier. You can use the escape key to exit capture mode. That's how to take a screenshot on a Chromebook in ChromeOS. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.